So good morning, people. It's another week of back to school. So the kids have school today, but it's half day, so I'm just sending a snack with them. So they're just gonna have a mandarin and a bottle of water. Okay guys, so it is Monday night going into Tuesday morning, and I am doing things differently this year, and it's the reason why I have a ton of meal on my countertop. So this year we have someone new, which is my husband, and he's having leftover. So we had rice and peas because I'm Jamaican, and fricassee chicken. It looks a hot mess, but I promise you it's really good. He's gonna have 2 water and a Cliff Bar, and that's his lunch for the day. Okay, so next we have the children. Don't mind, I have a baby down here. So this is this year the children are in private school, and they don't do hot lunch or breakfast or any of that, so I have to prepare lunch for everyone. So yeah, the twins have to take lunch this year. So Jordan, Mr. Jordan here, he has a riddle, and we will discuss that riddle when he gets home. Something for us to talk about other than, how was school, Jordan? It was okay. So it's something for Jordan to talk about. So I just put a lunch note over there. He's gonna have a roll up. It's just tortilla, cheese, spinach, turkey. Has some mayo here for his roll ups, because if you put it on here, it's gonna get soggy. We have cherry tomatoes. These are really good. He's gonna have a kids kind bar, and this is in the chewy peanut butter flavor. He's gonna have an apple for fruit, a warm water in the wild cherry, and I'm gonna stick this in the freezer for it to get cold, and it's gonna act as a ice pack. I do have ice pack, but that's that. This is Destiny. This year she chose that color, so she's gonna have the same thing, except she chose to go with a Cliff Bar as a snack, and her banana what is that, mayo? Yeah, her mayo cherry tomatoes. Moving on over to Mr. Jackson. He has the same thing, except for his snack, he's gonna have a Z-Bar. So he's gonna have an organic Z-Bar, caramel chocolate, and he chose the banana for his fruit. His water, his warm water, wild cherry. Destiny got, what is this, Tropical Tide. Forgot her juice over there. So much going on here. They all have riddles for us to discuss when we get back home in the evenings. And then moving on to Mr. Jason. Mr. Jason is having the same thing, I believe, and he's having the same kids kind bar, and he chose banana. He has his warm water and his water. So I will see you guys when they get back home after school. Okay guys, so it's after school on Tuesday. Jason, Jordan, Jackson, Destiny. Jason did well, like I knew he would. He didn't do so well on his water. He's the main person that needs to drink water, but he doesn't. So he did drink the juice. Jordan did pretty good. They all did pretty well. Even on his water, he drank his juice, ate his fruit. Jackson, like a trooper, he just didn't eat his mayo. I knew he wouldn't. And he drank his water. Destiny did well as well. And I will see you guys on Wednesday. Okay guys, so tonight is Tuesday night. Tonight is Tuesday night, and I'm preparing lunch for Wednesday. So let's get into the madness. We have Rob the hubby. He's having 2 sandwiches because he's a grown man. So yeah, he's having 2 plain. Destiny made these. They are just potato bread with turkey and cheese and mayo, and just made with love for daddy. And yeah, he's gonna have a Cliff Bar, sweet and salty, because he likes these. This is the peanut butter and, come on, focus. This is the peanut butter and honey with sea salt. So this should be good. And then he has some, what are these? Tortilla chips. They're just tortilla chips. No dips or anything, because he's just a poor man. And he has water. Let's get into the children's lunch. So over here we have Mr. Jordan, and let me just read one of these for you guys. It says facts. At 6 feet 4 inches, Abraham Lincoln was the tallest U.S. president. That's facts. Funny. It says, what subject is a witch good at in school? Let's see what it says. Spelling. Haha, very funny. But that's gonna be in Jordan. So let's get into what he's gonna be eating for the day. I did a whole little Lunchable. I am famous for Lunchable. I love Lunchable. It's easy. I don't have to rack my brain. So it's just cheese, turkey, little pic that says have a nice day. Cracker, I put it in this snack bag because these containers, no matter if you divide them, the cracker will get soggy and the children won't eat it. So, and then I have a good portion of grapes here for Jordan. He's gonna have room water, a Monster Trail Mix, his water, which I'm gonna put in the freezer, and a Go-Gurt. This is the Sour Patch kind in red berry. So let's move on to Destiny. She's having the same exact thing, except her snack is a mini Chip Ahoy. That child loves sweets. And her little pick is just, I don't know what that is. Yeah, I don't know what that. And her Go-Gurt is in the red berry. And she has her water. Mr. Jackson is having the same thing, but he chose cherry tomato. He loved cherry tomatoes because they're really good. Like I told you guys, get you some cherry tomatoes, and not just any cherry tomato. It's the brand that I did in my grocery haul. I will link it up in the eye in the sky for you guys, so you can go see it and see what I'm talking about. And he has a little, is that a rooster? It looks like a rooster. Could be a bird. I'm not sure. And his snack is a organic Z-bar. Organic Z-bar, water, and his riddle, facts, lunch note. You guys get the drift. Jason, I feel like I've been talking this whole time for no reason. He's having the same as his brother, and his pick is just a round ball, just so he can eat his vegetable. So I will see you guys after school on Wednesday. Okay guys, so it's after school on Wednesday. Jordan did really well. Finished his juice. It did okay with the water. We need to start doing better with the water. Everything's gone. Brought my picks back, and that's gone. Good job, Jordan. Destiny, my little princess, she did really well. She has a cheese, 1 piece of cheese left, I think. And she did good at her Go-Gurt. And she could have done better with the water. Jackson. Oh, did you bring my picks back? Yeah, she brought my pick back. Jackson did really well. I'm proud of him. And he did, he can do better on his water. Jason. Let's see how Jason did. brought my pick back. Need to do better on the water. So I'll see you guys on Thursday. Okay guys, so tonight is Wednesday night and Rob the hubby is missing because he's off from work tomorrow. So let's get into the video. So tonight I packed the lunches on my own. The children are in bed. It's like 10 p.m. so yeah, and then Destiny's birthday is tomorrow, so she has a special treat here. So let's get started on the lunches. I don't know what I packed. Forgive my ashy hands. I've been doing dishes. So for fruit, there's strawberry, grapes. This is just some blue cheese. For the carrot here, we have a Baby Bell, a Toy Story Land Baby Bell. So cute. And then in these little containers, it's just 2 little cookies. These are so good. It's just a little treat. And then for snack, Jordan is having a kind mini. He's having a peanut butter sandwich. It's a heart shape. And then the leftover I put in this little Ziploc bag. I'm not a fan of waste, so I try to encourage my kids to eat the bread, the ends. So if they do make their way into this bag, there's 3 little treats here, and these are the Skippies, little peanut butter fruit bites. So that's what's in there. He's gonna have a warm water, his water, and his riddle for tomorrow, and that's what Jordan is having. Miss Destiny's having the same thing, except she's having an extra treat because she turns 10 on the 23rd of August, which is tomorrow. So I gave her an extra treat. And let's get into the snack while we're up here. She's gonna have a Larabar Kid brownie, and she's having the same thing as her brother. Everything is the same. I love her little pick. So cute. Warm water, her water, and her riddle. Moving into Mr. Jackson, I switched up his container to make it easy for him, and you know, he's 6. He doesn't like to open up a whole bunch of containers, so I went back to my trusty handy Yum box. I had a little surprise since tonight. I found a Bento kids box with lunch in it for I don't know how long. That was not pleasant, so I had to trash that box. He's having the same thing. Everything is the same except he's having a goldfish, his juice, and his water, and his riddle. Jaxson is over here. He's having the same. His snack is animal cracker, his juice, water, and that. So I will see you guys after school tomorrow. Okay guys, so it's after school on Thursday. Jordan, I think this is just pure trash. Yep, that's pure trash. Everything's gone. Destiny, she took the little snack thingy out of here. She left some carrots. Everything's gone. Jaxson. Oh my word. You did? Oh lordy, look at that. You didn't do so well with your ranch.
I only did 1 dip.
You did one dip?
Only for one.
Why, you didn't like the dip?
I did like the dip, but I forgot to finish.
Oh, you forgot? He did well with his water. They all did well with water.
But I didn't drink my water
because today was really hot. This is Jason, and he did amazing. So I'll see you guys for Friday.
May I get one of my Z-bars? I didn't get one today.
Good morning guys. Today is Friday. I didn't get a chance to make lunches last night. Look at my mug. My daughter just made me my coffee. Anyways, let's get into the lunches. Today's the last day of school, so Jordan is gonna have a hot dog. He has ketchup and mustard here because I don't have the container, and he's old enough to open these packets. He has a Baby Bell cheese right here. I just need to finish them up. Some butter pretzel, cherry tomatoes, banana. His snack, he's gonna have nut butter bites, a Danimo in the, what is this? Banana split flavor. His juice, rum water, and I don't have water because I forgot to put it in the freezer last night. Destiny, she's gonna have the same, even though I should put, never mind. Destiny, she's gonna have the same exact thing, except her ketchup is in this container and her mustard, same thing. For snack, she's gonna have a Chips Ahoy, a Danimo, and this is in the, what flavor is this? Strawberry Explosion. Her rum water, her banana. Mr. Jaxson, I'm not a fan of these containers because they're very small, but Jaxson is a first grader and this is enough food for him, so it does fit. It's a tight fit, and he loved the color purple, so please. He loved the color purple. I need to put something in here for him to take his ketchup out and put on his hot dog. Baby Bell, cherry tomatoes, pretzel, his banana. For snack, he's gonna have Oreo minis, and his Danimo is in the banana split, his rum water. Jason's having the exact same thing, except he has packet ketchup and mustard. His Danimo banana split, mini Oreo, and his banana. So I'll see you guys after school today. Okay guys, so it's after school on Friday. Jordan did really well. Jason did really well. He didn't use his ketchup or his mustard. Jaxson. Let's see. Jaxson did amazing. And Destiny did awesome. So I will thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's worth of lunch videos, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye guys.